Turkeys birds. Turkeys belong to the family Meleagrididae and the genus Meleagris. They are large birds native to North America and European countries. The best known for their distinctive appearance. Including a featherless head with wattles and a fleshy protuberance called a snood that hangs from the top of the beak. These, insects, and small reptiles or amphibians. They are known for their ability to fly short distances and roost in trees at night for protection. In addition to their association with Thanksgiving in the United States, turkeys have cultural and symbolic significance in various societies. The male turkey, known as a tom or gobbler, is known for its distinctive gobbling sound and the impressive fan of feathers it displays during courtship rituals. Please subscribe our channel.